Alrighty, so I'm John Giacomoni. I'm a senior architect in product development at F5 Networks. Previously, I was founder of a local startup called LineRate Systems, which was an SDN proxy for application layer data path technologies that F5 acquired in February of last year. So with that, we're going to be talking about what is the current state of SDN. I will start with a talk, and then we'll go through everyone else. But first, I'd like to start having everyone introduce themselves, hopefully in about 30 seconds, starting with Reza.
Okay, hi. My name is Ruchir Pozdag. I'm a director of marketing at Cyan. But I spent about 8 years at a Fulcrum Microsystems Switch Silicon Design. So I have an engineering background, okay? I paid my dues. I spent 2 years at Intel covering SDN and FE, and now I'm responsible for our orchestration layer marketing. Thank you.
My name is Sam Aldrin. I work as principal engineer at Huawei R&D based at Santa Clara. My primary focus is on SDN and NFE technologies. So I'm engineer by profession, so I code and I do all that stuff. So prior to Huawei, I was with Cisco. And how many of you use IPSLA? Or no, so I wrote the code. So if you know me, so that's how I used to do that. So.
Hi, I'm Shelly Kadora. I do technical marketing at Cisco Systems, primarily on OpenFlow and mostly on one platform kit, which is our SDK. And I just want to have a shout out to people with PhDs in non-technical fields. I have my PhD in literature, so I am all for interdisciplinary work.
I'm Scott Snedden. I'm a principal architect at Nuage Networks, and I run business development for the APAC region, which really just means I'm competing with Chris for frequent flyer miles. But, and to your shout out on non-technical things, I dropped out of college to pursue a career as a rock musician, if that counts for anything.
And I'm Joe Marcella from Sienna. I'm based in Atlanta. I'm responsible for Sienna's SDN strategy and portfolio, and been at Sienna since essentially the beginning of the company.
And I'm Gary Heminger. I'm with vArmor Networks. We're a stealth startup in Silicon Valley. I run product management for the company, and we basically try to have a next-gen firewall with a threat management capability, and SDN is very important for us, and I'll talk about that in my presentation.
Great. All right, so we've got 7 panelists, an hour and a half. I would like to leave a little bit of time at the end for questions, so I will actually have my phone timing. And I will start with timing myself.